Thank you, everybody. Whatever he can do in terms of corruption, because the corruption is massive. Now, when Biden's son walks away with millions of dollars from Ukraine and he knows nothing.
What do they get? Media here. Finland is the happiest country in the world.
Finland is a happy country.
What can you learn? What can you learn from Finland?
Finland is a happy country. He's a happy leader, too. In our country, because the laws are so ridiculous, I mean, so stupid, we have to give them a trial. So we send them into the country, then they're supposed to come back, but they never come back. Very rarely do they come back. She said she was totally inebriated and she was all messed up, and she doesn't know it was him, but it might have been him. Oh, gee, let's not make him a Supreme Court judge because of that. I think Andrew McCabe has made a fool out of himself. I'm very proud to say we caught him. So we'll see what happens, but he is a disgraced man. This man is a complete disaster. Thank you all very much.
Thank you, Brad.
Obamacare is virtually dead. At best, you could say it's in its final legs. And if the Supreme Court rules that Obamacare is out, we will have a plan that's far better than Obamacare. Thank you all very much. I appreciate it. Thank you. I think that's disgraceful. Plus, there are other things. I was never a fan of John McCain, and I never will be. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you.
Böyle olmaz derler. Onlar gibi düşünmedikçe çoban derler. Biz Müslümanız, düşüncemiz hüsnü zandır. Bak istediğin güçle saldır. Biz Rab ve müptelayız işimde Allah, dilimde Allah, zikrimde Allah, fikrimde Allah, aklımda Allah, aşkımda Allah, aslımda Allah, kanımda Allah. Hasbi Rabbi Cellallah, ma fi kalbi gayrullah. Nur Muhammed sallallahu, la ilahe illallah. Hasbi Rabbi Cellallah, ma fi kalbi gayrullah. Nur Muhammed sallallahu, la ilahe illallah. Evvelen bir davet, nefse ikamet.